All right, today we got 3 racks of baby back ribs. It's a beautiful rainy day, of course, and they've been on for 2 hours at 250 degrees, and it's time to spritz them again. Let's open this up and see what we got, how they're looking. I want to show y'all a few of my little tricks here. Barbecue Guru, of course waterproof now with a Ziploc bag over the top. Milk crate, sheet pan over this exhaust stack. Got to keep it waterproof. All right, it's been 3 hours. It's still rocking 250 degrees in the waterproof Ziploc bag. Let's see how they're looking. Time to spritz again. Starting to get a little color to them. Just using plain 100% apple juice to spritz with. Normally I'd be wrapping them now, but we're going all the way with no wrap today. See how they turn out. All right, we're back. Been 4 hours. As you can see, still holding steady at 250 degrees on the Barbecue Guru. So let's open them up. They should be getting fairly close to being done, hopefully. Give them a little bend test here and see how the tenderness is going. Oh yeah, we're getting fairly close. That one there's real close. There still locks a little bit. Remember, 4 hours in, probably another 30 minutes or so. We'll be right back. All right, we're back. Been 4.5 hours. Hope these ribs are done. Still rocking 250 degrees. So let's see what we have. We're fixing to leave to go to a ball game. So we're hoping these is going to be done and tender. All right, let's see. I always do the bend test. That one there is still a little bit. That one there looks pretty good. Let's try this one. Oh yeah, that one looks really good. All right, that should be it for today. We're going to pull these things off and slice them up and head to the ball game. See y'all later. All right, here they are, baby back ribs, lightly sauced with Blues Hog Smoky Mountain. Fixing to box these up, headed to watch the Georgia Bulldogs. Hopefully they can pull off a win tonight against Alabama. Go Dogs!